Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for S&P 500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. On today's video, we're just going to be focusing on this structure up here that started from around the 16th or 17th of June. So very small time frame, but this is again just looking for a trade setup for downside. Now, there's a couple of different interpretations here that we can look for. My overall bias is still here that we are going to be coming down from here or from the next high here of this order blocks. Both of them are around this good Fibonacci extensions, so let's take a look at the possibilities here overall. So one is saying that either we end our account on the 16th and we have some kind of ABC into W, or we have some kind of ABCD, not ABCD, some kind of a three-way move here. Most likely I prefer this one as for this bearish count starting, but we surely can put some kind of ABC structure in here for the W as well. Now after that, again, X came down here to the golden pocket, and then we have a five-way move into A, some kind of three-way pattern here. We can't really end it here as it does not meet the minimum extension levels of the 0.618 of this first leg for this third leg here. So yeah, that's why I am thinking this as a first leg, second leg and third leg, creating some kind of a running flat pattern, or well, not a running flat, but most likely a WXY of some sorts. Now after that, again, we've established the wave B, then we're looking for wave C, which is again a five-way move. Here we can most likely set up a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 into third, fourth and fifth. Then again, sub-micro third up here, fourth and fifth, and then we are completing this count around here for the C wave. Now this is the bearish interpretation, and at which I haven't taken a short on S&P 500. I took a short on Nasdaq earlier or yesterday when we were at its golden pocket area. But here, if we still want to be bearish, I think the only interpretations that we can have being bearish is this one as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This would create an expanding leading diagonal, which is definitely not that common, but again it is still possible. This would create also possible wave 1 or wave A, then this would be a wave B. On the smaller time frames, we can possibly interpret this as a five-way move as well, which would make more sense towards the upside though. We'll see however how this plays out on the open. Now the golden pocket is just below us, or below the lows that we established yesterday, and to me it would look pretty good as a three-way move here and then heading higher. But again, if we are looking this as a bearish, then we would have to interpret this a bit differently. We can't take out these highs. If we do, then this bearish counter is out the window. Then there's the bullish scenario in which we are ending the previous counts over here on the 17th. Then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Within 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That brings us to wave 1 or wave A. Again, bullish is just a wave 1 or A. Doesn't matter, both are heading higher, so locally bullish or locally, yeah, just locally bullish. Then wave 2, again that same golden pocket, 5 waves into 1, 2, again that same structure here, 5 waves into the third. We are getting beyond the 1.618 extension here, which is definitely noteworthy. So it is more common for wave 3 to be here than that C wave that I had on the bear scenario. So we could still be in this wave 4 structure here onto these lows, and this would suggest that we have created a five-way move here, as I mentioned on the bearish scenario, then looking for three ways pullback, and then 3, 4 and 5. We'll see how high this gets, if this is going to be playing out, but we have this insufficiency or fair value gap or whatever you want to call these. We don't have basically any volume on it, and the next structure that we have is here at around that 2.236 extension of this first 1 to B or 1 to 2 structure. So again, this would only complete the third wave or the C wave here of this ABC. So if we are, it is already making more probable that this is a third wave instead of the C wave, but my targets are lower. So that is why I'm still looking at these prices as a just a run up as an ABC mostly. Now this order block is basically the maximum I want to see. If we want to still be playing this ABC scenario, 2.236 is really extended already at that point. So if we are going to be getting into this area above this order block, around that 4K area, then most likely it's going to be a wave 3 and 5, 3 and 4 and 5 somewhere, whether it's going to do something like this or something else. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to share today on S&P 500. If you have other accounts you would like to share, there's a link to my Discord server in the description below. Also, if you would like me to update certain other assets, let me know in the comments below. But for now, I thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.